The next thing that we are going to do after focusing on target to serve is choosing a skill to offer. So I'm so happy that you are still here and showing up. So this already tells me that you are committed to building your online bookkeeping journey. So we are done with choosing the target market to serve. So we move one step forward, and this will be our next mission. So choose your skill. Even if you're starting from scratch, you can start serving. Okay. So now I know this can feel overwhelming. Some of you might think, I don't have enough experience. What if I pick the wrong skill? Should I learn everything first? Okay, so I understand. Let me clear this up for you. You don't need to be an expert. So you don't need to know everything. And you are not locked into this decision forever. So you are simply choosing a starting point, the skill that you are willing to learn, to grow in, and confidently offer for now. So that's it. Remember, you are not behind, you are just building. Okay. So like I said, you don't need to be an expert. You don't need to know everything. Just choose one skill that solves one problem for your market. Okay. Since this is our next task, choosing a skill that solves a problem for our target market. Remember, clients, they don't pay for skills. They don't pay you because you know how to use QuickBooks, you know how to use Xero, or MYOB, or any other accounting apps, or even Excel. They pay you when your skill solves a real problem. It means they pay for solutions. That's why today, I want you to have this kind of shift from our mindset from what's the highest paying skill to what's the simplest skill I can use to solve a real pain or a real problem of my market? Okay? So when you focus on solving a specific problem for your market, everything becomes easier. So when you solve a specific problem, you will get noticed, you gain confidence, okay? And then you can describe your offer clearly. And from there, you attract clients. The most important part here, guys, is that clients, they begin to trust you. Remember, clients pay for solutions. So if you have that skill that can solve their problem, then clients will go for you. Okay? So let's have an example. If your market is real estate investor and their problem could be struggling to separate personal business expenses. Okay, so here's the solution. You offer monthly categorization and account separation. And you can offer the skill categorizing transactions and organizing chart of accounts. So this is very specific skill, right? Okay, so I'm trying to have you this kind of understanding, okay, that choosing a skill is very important later when we create our offer statement. Okay, if your market is Shopify store owner and one of their problems is unclear income due to Stripe and PayPal fees. So your solution, you can provide monthly reconciliation reports with fee breakdowns. And then you can offer a skill here, payment gateway reconciliation. Did you know that e-commerce store owners, they have lots of payment gateway, and one of the challenges here is doing reconciliation on this payment gateway. Okay, so if you're familiar with PayPal, with Stripe, Shopify Pay, Amazon Pay, so these are just some of the payment gateways. And when you have that skill, you know how to reconcile any payment gateways or each of these payment gateways. You have already provided a solution to your target market, and you can offer this one. Okay? Next is if you have, or if you want to target digital marketing agencies. Okay. So I have served, or I have an existing digital marketing agencies clients. Okay. And this, I can definitely say this is one of their problems, forgetting to send invoices on time. That's why if you have that skill, how to manage receivables, you can offer that one. That's a very good skill in managing their receivables, because receivables, when you put special attention to it, it will definitely increase cash flow. Okay, here's the solution. If you automate recurring invoices, especially if your client is using QuickBooks Online, then you can offer automation or invoicing setup. And aside from that, managing receivables. Okay? For if your market is cleaning service business, and then the problem is can't track who has paid and who hasn't. So this is also related to AR, or accounts receivable. Okay, so these are collections. You issue invoices to your customers, but then you lose tracking of the invoices, whether these invoices are already paid or not. So that's why we need aging report. Okay, so this is a report wherein what could be the invoices more than 50 days, or more than 60 days, more than 30 days. Okay, so it's a matter of monitoring. So you can offer a skill managing accounts receivable. So this skill is, I consider, a gold one, because it will definitely impact the cash flow of the business. We have also skill ideas here. You can do categorizing expenses, basic monthly reports, creating and sending invoices, reconciling bank transactions, or tracking client payments. So these are just some of the skills, ideas, okay, that I can share to you. Okay, so there are a lot of skills, ideas. Could be monthly bookkeeping, catch-up services. You can also do cash flow forecasting, okay, or inventory tracking for e-commerce, and then invoicing and payment tracking for, yes, digital marketing agencies, and bank reconciliation. Okay, so those are just some of the skill ideas. Now your task is choose one skill or service, okay, and then match it with your target market speed. So although our skill here could be bookkeeping skill, you choose one subset skill, okay, that will give an impact in solving your target market's problem, okay? And then you post it inside the Facebook group using this format. So using this format, it will help simplify the process, and at the same time, you will gain understanding. Okay, so choosing your market, what's the problem of your market? If it's the problem, then it needs solution. So what solution that you can offer, and the skill, okay, that you can offer to this market. And don't forget to tag 2 fellow challengers, okay? What's the reason why I'm doing this to you guys? Because I want you to start building your confidence, showing up, being visible online, because as we all know, we are doing this because we have this goal later on to start doing online bookkeeping as our business, okay? Our service to our target market. That's why we need to be visible. We need to start building this confidence by posting our answers inside the Facebook group, okay? So remember, you are not behind. You are building. Okay, so to wrap it up, don't wait until you feel ready. Just pick a simple skill. Start small. You serve with heart. The goal here is not to have that perfect offer right now, but it's taking action. You test, you experiment, and adjust as you grow. Okay? So for today, just focus on choosing one skill. So remember, this is not about perfection. It's about clarity. And this bookkeeping journey, it's really a learning journey. Okay? and choose to be confident, choose to do each task every day, show up, post your answers, and then serve your market later on. Okay? So you are doing better than you think. Thank you.